Welcome everyone. We can't all go to New Orleans, but we can bring a little of New Orleans to us. And we're going to do a song that you often see in New Orleans parades. And maybe you'll one day be in a New Orleans parade and do like these guys do. Oh, when the Saints go marching in. Lord, I want to be in that number when the saints go marching in. So we are going to learn to play When the Saints today, and a little different key than they were playing in. But what's great, you only need to know 5 notes. This is a super easy song compared to our one that we did last week. If you did that, we did dreidel, 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 I think. Super fun, but much more challenging. This one, just 5 notes. A G note, an A, a B, a C, and then a D note. Our right hand can just kind of support today. We're going to play all the notes with just our left hand, okay? Let's start with just the B note. If you make 2 fingers in the thumb, that's an A note. And 3 fingers in the thumb, that's a G note. Let's start with the G and play those 3 notes again. G. The C is going to be thumb and the middle finger. And the D is just the middle finger. You're going to need your right hand thumb down to kind of support the instrument so it doesn't flip out of what you're doing. Okay, and again, you want to keep it kind of angled and not too high, not too low, and don't blow too hard. Blow gently, please. Okay. All right. I will probably move up my chair a little bit so you can see what's happening. And we are going to play along with this website here. I'm going to slide upward. And here we go. Oh, When the Saints, starting with the G note. And let's do it again. Let's see if both of us can do it just a little bit better this time. Here we go. And one more time again. Ooh, are you ready? Let's give it a go. 2, and here we go. All right, congratulations. And remember, if you need to, you can always go down to the settings button on your screen. Let me get out of the way, and to the settings button right down here in the lower corner. Let me lower my camera to the settings button, and you can slow it down if need to. Go to playback speed, click on there. We've been doing it at normal speed. You can do it at 3/4 speed, half speed, or even faster if you like. The video we're doing today, my video, of course, this one, you can also slow that down if you need to. Okay, have a great week, enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed that great song from New Orleans.